Welcome back to another video of unboxing, and today we have these Jordan 4s Bred reimagined, which are released recently in 2024. Let's check the box. The box is beautiful, it is crisp, nice, and this is my size. I've kept it for my personal use. Okay, let us dive into the box. These are the pair of shoes. They are black in color and they are inspired by the 1989 release Jordan 4, which were for 4 colors. This is one of the color. It's Breds, we say them, and they are black, red in color. This is the outsole. This is leather. The whole material over here is made up of leather. This is again plastic, like the way it was in military blue. And these are beautiful. Let me take out the other pair. Okay, we have this. Take a closer look at this pair. So my main objective to keep this pair was because it is OG colorway. It was originally released in 1985, so I kept it. And Michael Jordan also wore these in one of the games. I'm not sure in one of the games or many games, but yeah, I saw his picture of wearing these in his games. So this is beautiful, and I will make a video of all feet like the way I made for military blue in my first video. So I would request you to please comment and tell me that do you like these or you have passed on these. But I would highly recommend that you can keep these for your personal use. They have been expensive, but yeah, and they are a little bit heavy, but yeah, they look great on feet. Yeah. Please suggest your reviews on these, and you can put it in the comments. And if you like the video, please hit the like button and please subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.